Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preserving your data and closing the app. First, back up every world folder to a separate location so you can restore if needed. Next, sign out of the Minecraft beta program in the same store account you used to join. This prevents automatic re-enrollment. Finally, clear a little free space on your device so the uninstall and reinstall can complete without interruption. Once done, you're ready to remove the beta build safely and avoid data loss. You'll now remove the beta binary and clean remnants. On Android, long press the app or use settings app's Minecraft uninstall. On iOS, press and delete the app or use settings general iPhone storage. After uninstall, open your file manager and delete temporary caches and any beta-specific resource packs left in the Minecraft folders. If you cleared worlds earlier, double-check their backups before deleting anything. Make sure the device is restarted once you finish by installing the official release and restoring content. Open the Play Store or App Store, confirm you are not enrolled in the beta program, and install the stable Minecraft Pocket Edition build. Then, copy your saved worlds back into the proper Minecraft folder and launch the game to verify integrity. If the device still tries to update to beta, sign out of the store, clear store cache, and opt out of any beta program pages. That single troubleshooting step resolves most re-enrollment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.